There, another quick video showing you the inside of the sister journal to the one that I created with 4 signatures. This has 2 signatures in it, and it is a Woodland journal. So let's get into it. It's 9 by 6 by about 2 3/4. It has a decorated spine. The cover is this beautiful little fox. The closure is on a hitch post, and you can change the knot so when it gets full you can move it down and still have a wonderful closure on it. Okay, we have a burlap pocket and this saying that I love: fill your paper with the breathings of your heart. Okay, lots of different kinds of papers, just like the other one. Coffee dyed papers, handmade papers, different places to write your thoughts. This is the vellum that has the alcohol inks on it and sewing, and another little notebook here. Pocket. Love this. Place to journal. And this opens. Little dangle there. Journaling cards. I love this vellum with the leaves and the acorns. Little spot to journal. Some cards, tags. A lot of tags here for you to write on, and then there's natural things that are the topper on it. This is a tag that comes out. Love that owl. Another little pad. Lots of places to journal in this. These tags come out, and there's area to journal on the back of those tags. This is your hard writing board so that you can stick it in and write on a smooth surface, and that's included in the back of the journal. All right, sorry for a quickie, but I try to keep it under 2 minutes. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.